Hello guys, welcome to Altcoin Awareness. Today, we're going to talk about Telegram's blockchain and their main token, Toncoin, and the best meme coin on Telegram, which is Rido, Resistance Dog. And in the end of the video, I'll tell you about one more meme coin that I like on Telegram. So let's get it. So Toncoin is the biggest coin on Telegram right now, okay? Comparing Coinbase to Telegram, we see that currently Coinbase has over 100 million users that have downloaded the app and they are using it. Telegram has about 900 million users. This is monthly users, okay? But the thing about Telegram is that one user can make multiple Telegram accounts, okay? I have 2 Telegram accounts, for example, and I am sure other people have more than 2 accounts. So let's say that on average, every user on Telegram has about 3 Telegram accounts. That means that it's only, let's say, about 300 million users. And therefore, Telegram is going to try to convert a percentage of these 300 million users into their crypto platform. And eventually, these users are going to have to buy Toncoin, right? So let's say that they manage to convert just 10 to 20% of that 300 million users. That means that about 30 to 60 million users are going to be using Telegram soon, okay? And how are they going to try to convert those users to their crypto platform? I'll tell you how. One way they're doing it is they are going to start paying everyone who has a private account with Toncoin. They have announced that already, and we know that they're doing that. Influencers, for example, and all that, they are going to be paid in Toncoin on Telegram. But also, there is a game that's on Telegram that's called Not. There are millions of users that are playing this game, and they are going to receive airdrops soon. So these users are also going to convert, and I am sure that Telegram has many other ways that it's going to get more people using Ton in the future. So that's how they're planning to do it. And if you see on CoinMarketCap, the number one memes on each blockchain has gone to billions already. For example, Dog with Hat, 2 billion. Built on Solana. The best meme coin on Ethereum, over 10 billion, Shiba Inu. And now that we have Base, which is Coinbase's blockchain, we see that the number one meme on Base, which is Bread, is well into 1.5 billion market cap. So it's obvious that the number one meme on its chain goes to multi-billion dollar market caps. So what does that mean for Telegram, guys? It's not rocket science. It means that the number one meme on Telegram is going to get to multi-billion dollar market cap too, right? So the number one meme coin on Telegram is Rido, Resistance Dog. And obviously, it's going to go to the multi-billions. It's currently at about 100 million. And if we compare that to other meme coins that are on other blockchains, we see how undervalued Rido is at this time. You see, Toncoin has grown to be in the top 10. Look at this. Top 10 on CoinMarketCap. With market capitalization of 18.6 billion. Ranked number 8. Okay? It has surpassed Dogecoin, Cardano, Avalanche, Tron, Polkadot, Chainlink, and every other token you can imagine. And they did that in silence, guys, okay? I'm telling you, out of the 300 million users on Telegram, 90% of that doesn't even know that Toncoin exists yet. If you ask them, I'm telling you, they don't know. And 99% of that hasn't even bridged over to Telegram's blockchain. So we're still very early in the game. We are in the beginning of the bull run. Altcoin season is not here yet. So think what's going on. Think what is going to happen to the number one meme coin on Telegram soon. In my opinion, it's going to outperform everything. And it's going to go up the rankings of CoinMarketCap like crazy. So right now, there are about 1 to 2 million users who use Telegram's blockchain. We are in the first 1 to 2 million users. As we said earlier, if we suppose that Telegram has 900 million users, but every user on average has about 3 accounts, that's only 300 million users, and if Telegram manages to bring 10% of that, or 20%, in their blockchain, that's about 30 million to 60 million more users that are coming on Telegram's blockchain. So that's about 30x more users that are coming to the network. And what do you think these people are going to do after they start using Tone? They're going to buy the number one meme coin on Telegram, which is Rido. And it's going to happen boom boom, guys. The market is not going to wait for you to decide if you agree with this or not. This is fucking Telegram. Arguably, Telegram has more users than Ethereum. Sounds funny, but it's true, guys. Telegram deserves to be in the conversation here. It's not a random network that just popped up and we're talking about it. They are here to conquer the market, and they are making big moves, backing up their decisions with lots of capital, okay? In my mind, there is no way that they are not going to push their main meme coin to the top, just like their competitors did. So let's go to TradingView, okay? Let's look at this here. Let's do some technical analysis on Toncoin. This is Toncoin USDT 4-hour chart. And then we're gonna look at Resistance Dog and some other microcap meme coin I have for you. That's on Telegram too. So look at this pattern, guys. This is an ascending triangle. It's a bullish pattern. Based on historical data, this pattern has about 60 to 70% chance of breaking to the upside. Look how we're keep coming back and retesting this resistance at the top of the pattern. And look how we've been putting higher lows over and over again, retesting that yellow trend line as support, okay, at the bottom of the pattern. Currently, we are above the triangle. So it looks like the price action broke out already, and now we are retesting, turning this key level of resistance to support. This is a very good buy right now, above the 7.24 level. Hopefully, we won't get back inside the pattern again, and hopefully, we will bounce here around this level and then take off. So make sure you buy the breakout, buy the retest, which is happening now, set up your stop losses. What I would do is I would buy here, then I would wait. And if we get back inside the triangle, I would wait until we get a retest of this ascending yellow trend line. And then I would buy some more. And I would basically set up my stop loss below the pattern. Okay. So if we break below the triangle, my stop loss will kick in and I will exit. But for now, it seems that the trade is working on our side. So look at the Fibonacci levels that we have on the chart. We have 8.33, 9.33, and 10.47. These are the Fib levels. Use them as a resistance to exit your trades and as support to scale in. And this top level here at 10.47 is also the ascending triangle's measured move. Because if we measure all the way from the top of the pattern to the bottom at the beginning of the triangle, which is back here, and we add this distance to the breakout point, which is here, we see that we are right here, 10.46. Okay. I usually like to exit my trade when I hit 70%, 80% of that, something like this. Okay. Actually, I like to take profits at 25%, 50%, and then the rest 75%, something like that. Okay. But keep in mind that the longer you stay in the market, the riskier it gets. This is a good coin to hold in the long term if you guys don't want to trade. Just keep this in mind. Wait for the altcoin season and take profits then if you want to hold it. Okay. But if you want to become a successful trader, you should learn how to trade these levels and learn how to realize your gains over and over again and grow your bags this way. So that's it for Toncoin. There is not much to say. I'm gonna move on. This is resistance dog. Okay. This is Rido USDT 4-hour chart. There is not much to say about this either, guys. The token was published on June of 2024. We came all the way up here to $1.23, and right after we had a pullback to all-time lows at 0.62, we had a consolidation between this range of 0.88 and the all-time lows, while we kept putting higher highs over and over again, here, 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 like an ascending triangle, similar to Toncoin, until we managed to break above this key level of resistance, and we reached all the way up here to the all-time highs of 1.5. And again, another pullback, consolidation between the range of 1.23 and 0.8, and now we have been consolidating for a while, and in my view, we're going to break above this range here soon. The targets that we have, the Fibonacci levels, are 1.07, 1.15, 1.23, which is also the 618. 618 is a very important Fib level, okay? And then we have 1.35 and 1.5 all the way up here, previous all-time high. Use the Fib levels as resistance to exit and scale in on Fib support. Take it slowly, level by level. Realize your gains. From the all-time high all the way down here, it's about a 45% move, and from the current levels, it's only a 35% move. So we only need 35% to get back to all-time highs. That's not bad. As I said, this token doesn't need a lot of money to move, okay? This is a low cap. So it's going to get there, okay? Now, if you don't want to trade this coin, you can just hold it, wait for the altcoin season, and take profits then. Okay, so that's it for Rido. Rido is gonna make it, guys. Okay, just like every other meme coin on every other blockchain. It's not rocket science. Now, another meme coin that I want to talk about is the resistance cut, Rika. I couldn't find the chart on TradingView, but this is it. This is the chart, basically. This is the daily, this is the monthly, and the all-time chart. You see, currently its market cap is at 4.8 million. It's ranked at 3,730 on CoinMarketCap. We have 86,000 volume, okay? The biggest meme coin on Telegram is clearly Resistance Dog, but I also bought Rika a while ago, and I noticed that Rika pops every time Rido pops. So you might want to take a look at this, okay? So now, I want to show you the following. Look at this picture, okay? You might be familiar with this, but this is not what I want to explain to you, okay? I'm sure most of you have seen this before. As you see in this picture, this is how money flows into crypto, right? First, we have fiat, flows into Bitcoin, large caps like Ethereum, Solana, mid caps, low caps, and then back to Bitcoin. Okay? Now, I have noticed that the same thing happens with different narratives. So for this particular narrative of Telegram, what happens is that first money flows into Telegram and Toncoin, and then after Ton stops popping, people take profits and they move their money into low cap tokens on Telegram like Rido and Rika. So if Toncoin pops today, I expect Rido and Rika to pop a few days later. So it's a good thing for you to know that. This happens with AI, with gaming, with everything, right? So we have a big cycle, which is this, and then we have smaller cycles that you don't see here. For example, after Bitcoin pops, you wait for a while for the money to flow into large caps. Toncoin is a large cap, so it goes up. And then after that, after a while, money flows into mid caps and low caps on Telegram, from Ton to Rido and Rika. So Rido and Rika pop a few days after Ton pops. Check this out. You will see I'm right. That's a good trick for you to understand. If you position yourself nice, you can make a lot of money doing this. So that's all. That's all for today. Please do me a solid and subscribe to the channel, guys. Click the like button. I'm going to be posting videos like this multiple times a week, and I have a lot more to show you, tricks to share with you. So stay close so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.